Hello guys, this is Luben Joseph from Luben TV. Guys, today we are back in another video, and today in this video we are gonna be building a Suzuki nori with this. Guys, and if you are new to my channel, this is what I do. I build bikes like BMX cup, street cup, trikes, cripple bike, jet bike, go-kart, squat. So if you want to build bikes like this, you want to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. We are gonna use some cripple body I found, and this bike is gonna look exactly like a Honda ruckus. We usually use Honda ruckus in America and countries like Nigeria. You cannot find Honda ruckus, but in places like America you can find Honda ruckus. And the Suzuki nori I want to build right now, you cannot find it in places like America or Nigeria or all those countries. You only find Suzuki nori in Asia countries, especially in Japanese, guys. So without further ado, let's do this, guys. So we are gonna use the scrapy body I found it. This is my Honda street cup. You wanna build this, link in the description. Yeah, so those are my condemned body. I keep those body here anytime I want to build the bikers. When I have a use of them, I pick one. Like those one, I put them there to build the BMX cup. And then we're gonna be using this body. This body gonna match on what I want to do. This look like a Honda ruckus body. I'm gonna turn it and do it to become a chain or rail. And now I want to use a scooter tires, because I got many scooter tires. Like this one is 810, which is wrong, and this one gonna match, guys. This one gonna match. Now I'm gonna use these scooter tires. Those ones I think they're gonna match. This one go right there. That's gonna be cool. It's like we are building something right here, guys. Take a look at this bike. We just start today and we are going. Look, this scooter tire just match it just like that, and this is cool. This bike gonna look exactly just like Honda ruckus. You cannot find this bike nowhere in Nigeria. Right now I'm gonna bring it to Nigeria, guys, because I'm gonna build it from scratch. Right now, let me plan of fixing up the engine, okay? Because I got many engine in my garage, and I'm gonna check the one that's gonna match right there. The one gonna match right there, because the engine goes like there. Alright, Honda ruckus engine be down in the back. Okay guys, I tried to mount this engine, but I realized that the engine is not working, because I got this engine from scrap. So guys, we are gonna pieces this engine and fix the problem, because it's not cooperating. I'm not seeing any cooperation. This engine not gonna start, so I let me do that. Okay guys, so I have come to an end of episode 1, and episode 2 is coming soon. And if you're watching this in the future, I'm gonna drop the episode 2 down in the description, guys. So if you're watching in the future, you wanna check in the description for the episode 2. At the end of this video, I'm gonna build something like this. So if you wanna build something like this, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop the episode 2, guys. So peace.